Man, I'm so thirsty.
Hey, what's that over there?
What's up, guys? It's Boopy.
And Chachi.
And today we are opening up this Barbie Loves the Ocean Beach Shack. And it looks like it's made from recycled ocean-bound plastics. How cool. Comes with so many accessories. This is what it looks like on the back of the box. And there's even more. How cool. Okay, so let's get this open.
Okay, let's...
I think you open it. Here, wait. Where's this? Wait, I'll try. Oh, instructions on how to build it. Okay, so this box is empty.
This paper.
Do not remove the paper strip. Refer to step 2 for flag. Oh.
So...
See this?
Oh, wait, you're not supposed to remove until it's out.
Yeah. Oh, okay.
I don't know that.
Let me take these out. So there's a little recycling bin you can recycle with. And then your stuff goes in the bottom. So let's garbage. Okay, so step 1 is to put this on top. Or just... You might need help.
Okay.
I think this is supposed to go this way. Okay. Let's see.
That's not supposed to go on the top. This is.
No, it is.
Oh. No, but that's the orange thing.
That's that sliding down there.
Oh.
Yes. Oh. Let me slide it.
Yeah, you're supposed to slide it. There's a hole.
Oh, like this.
So it goes down.
Okay. Now we got that.
Okay, now remove this.
No, wait. Don't we have to put the tan thing on there?
What tan? This is on.
No, it should be. Let's open up. Okay, so we put the chairs together. Let's set those up.
Okay, that.
Is
We'll
it in?
clip those in later.
And then it looks like. Oh, yeah, so you're supposed to clip those in. Here, can you help? Yeah, let's see this thing. Okay, so the next step is to put this yellow piece on the top. So I'll help you with this. And I think it probably clicks in. Like, yep.
Okay.
Yeah. I don't know if I'm sure.
Okay.
Oh,
I
wait.
think that's good.
Almost done for this one. So there, and we got it.
Okay.
So now, let's see what's next. Okay,
Put
so
the recycling bin on this
I think it
side.
attaches to it.
Oh, here.
Whoa. Okay, that good? Oh yeah, there we go.
Click those in.
Okay, now we got our little beach shack. Oh, and then I already built the stools. So now you just set everything up on here.
And if I
Set the
want.
blender here. I'll set the coconut smoothie over here. No, I think the ukulele hangs here. Yeah, I think, sure.
Where's the box?
You can hang the lantern here. See? There we go.
Well, it should be.
Oh.
And then maybe that down there.
And a little basket. I can put the banana in it. Banana. Okay, make another little fruit smoothie in there. And I think there's also shelves on the back of here. So you can put here. Oh, okay, the banana.
So,
Yes, you can set all your stuff down there too. Oh, the popsicle! Look at it!
and then you put some juice.
Put the popsicle in the bowl. Ice cream in the bowl. Oh, and then we gotta build this thing too. The little stand. So it looks like we fold this down. It looks like we fold this one down. It's like paper. We set this there so then people know what they want to order. It's like a menu, so it looks really cool.
And, yeah. So I think that's...
Probably it. Ooh, this looks good.
Wow!
This is a cool shack. Ooh, bananas! I love bananas.
Oh no, I dropped it. Oh man, there's ice cream over here!
Oh, and a ukulele. Here, let me see. Let's see.
chocolate.
Ding, 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 ding. Oh
No, my ice cream.
no! Here, let's recycle the ukulele. Somebody else can use it.
Let's go to recycling then.
Ooh, what's this? And we can sit on the chairs. Hey, friend!
Hey.
You work here?
Yep. I work here.
Cool.
Let me recycle that. And I'll recycle that. And I'll recycle
Hey, I was drinking that.
And that.
Hey!
And those.
Okay.
Hi, what would you like to order?
I'll take a coconut juice.
Okay. Let me get out of the recycling bin.
I fell! If you enjoyed this video, give it a big thumbs up.
And subscribe to our channel.
Bye!